Hello, this is Pamela, and you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Well, today's video is a sponsored video, and it is from Temu. Temu sent me some amazing crochet-related items and some things to enjoy around the house. Oh my gosh, I love every single thing that I have received. So I'd like to say thank you, Temu, and guys, just sit back and relax and watch and see all these cool things. I'll have links in the description box below. If there's anything that you're interested in, you can just click on that link. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started and see what all they sent me. Okay, here's some of the crochet related items. Look at this stuff. Here are some row counters. Let's see, a red one and a pink one. They are so cool. You can never have enough row counters because if you're like me, you got several projects going on. A pair of scissors, and I like the little cap on it. And look at this bag. Oh my gosh, this comes with the bigger bag. Has a little ruler thing on it. It's so cool. It has snaps, and the front of this little bag here, it zips. I'm going to enjoy this bag. It's going to definitely be one of my crochet go bags. And it has this little place to put your scissors in. That is cool. Look at that. I love it. And it snaps on. You just insert your scissors right there. How cool is that? And it has a long strap in case you want to do a crossbody. And it snaps together at the top. I love that bag. Okay, so here is one of the crochet little zip up bags you can take with you. This is awesome, and it has matching crochet hooks. Oh my gosh, look at these. They're beautiful. I love these. So here are some of them outside the bag, and they feel really good. I like them. And then here are some of the little things that are inside, little yarn needles, and that's a pair of scissors. And there's some plastic yarn needles, metal yarn needles, tape measure, and of course some stitch markers you see. There we go. That is really cool. I love that little, the bag is kind of like a vinyl bag. These scissors, I like this little cover that goes on them, and they're really sharp. Look at that. So I'm going to enjoy these scissors right here. And here's one of the row counters. What I like about this row counter is that it has this little button there at the bottom. You can just slide it and it locks it in place so your numbers don't change. Well, here's one of the little crochet kits. It's like a little Christmas crochet kit of a candy cane. And it says wonderful gift. And I think it's kind of neat. And then that says crochet kit for beginners. So you get both of these little glossy pamphlets with instructions and stuff, and here's all of your yarns for that project. As you can see, it doesn't really take that much yarn. And then that's your stuffing for it. And then inside this little bag, I see stitch markers, safety eyes, glue sticks, crochet hook, yarn needle, some wiring. I guess that's to keep the candy cane, certain strength. And then I love those little pins right there. Oh my gosh, they are so cute. And the next one is, it says some coasters, and it looks like I received 2 of them. So this will be really neat. I can't wait to make this project actually. I think it's going to be fun. But inside this one, there's this little card right here. It says Learn to Crochet Kit for Beginners. And in here you get 2 crochet hooks, yarn needles, stitch markers, some more of them pins, a little flower thing, I'm not sure what that is yet, and some glue sticks. You get all kinds of cool stuff in there. So here's the little pamphlets for it, the instructions. And so you get 2 of those, and they're glossy, very nice. And so here's some of the yarns, and I love those colors. Very nice. All right, and then some of the home goods. We're going to move on into that. This is actually a swing you hang on a tree or somewhere. I think it's very neat. I love the material of this. I love the colors. And it looks very strong, looks very well made. So not really sure where to hang this yet. Maybe something I take camping or something. So I couldn't hang it and show you guys, but I think it's very nice, and it's very good outdoor material. I love the colors on it, and the rope looks very sturdy on it. So I am excited to be able to use this somewhere. I just don't know where, but I'd like to use it somewhere. I think it'd be a lot of fun. But also, don't forget, I am leaving links in the description box for all of these products that you see here. So the next home thing that they sent is this thing to go in the microwave. It's plastic. Now it's a little warped. It's not really standing up straight. I think it had something to do with got a little smashed in the shipping with the other products, but it just kind of hooks on. This is your little handle, and at the top up there, it has where you can, have steam coming out or not. It's very cool. I like it. And then this laundry room rug. Oh my gosh, look at this. Very nice, very soft, perfect size for our little laundry room. We just have a little walk through pass for a laundry room. Hardly no space in there at all. So this little rug is just perfect for it. And that's what it looks like on the back side. That's the thickness of it. Very nice, very soft, very pretty. So I like that a lot. And then this is a cute little lunch box. I really like this lunch box. It clips on all four sides. I plan on ordering about 3 or 4 more of these so that when I have my grandkids over and stuff and we go to the park, or even if we go out in the backyard and put a quilt or something out there, that we can sit and have lunch together. I think that this would be a lot of fun. It seems like the sides clamp down really good, and it looks like it'll hold, quite a bit of food. We have a little park down the road from us that we can just walk to, and there's your little chopsticks if you need that, which I thought that was kind of cute to put in there. And you get a knife, and it's like a hard plastic. And there's your fork, and it says "Love Lunch" on it. I thought that was cute. And then there's your spoon, and they seem like they're very nice quality. They're plastic, but they're a harder plastic, so very nice. And it just clamps shut right there, very easy. So I need to get more of those. So I guess I'll be using my own link for that because I like that one a lot for the grandkids. Okay, and then they sent these slippers. Oh my gosh, I love these things. I wear these every day. As soon as I get home, I take my shoes off, and as you can tell, they're dirty because I wear them every day. So thank you for that. I love those. And then this is one of those expandable water hoses, and these are all the little gadgets that came with it. I'm fixing to show a demonstration outside here in a second. And there's should have a male and female end to it. But yeah, it's expandable. And so this is one of those little water pads for the kids. And I thought it was going to be bigger than this. It's kind of small, but my grandkids are only 1, 2, and 3, so it's perfect for them. I may have to end up getting another one. So this is my husband trying to put this on there. He said it doesn't quite fit, and as you'll see in the video that he said it's just a tad off, and so the water it won't quite, it leaks out of it, I guess you could say. See, he was doing that at first. He kind of played around with it for a little bit, and he got it fitting a little better, but it's just not real, not like a perfect fit. And then so he worked with that. That's what it was doing at first. So he played around with that, and he got that one doing pretty good. There we go. And see up there, he got it where it's just leaking a little bit. But there it is, expanding. I think that's so cool. Yeah. Okay, now we're fixing to go into, there he is using that as a spray. It does very well. We really love this expandable water hose. We just got to figure out the connection up there at the top. Okay, this is that little water pad. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to see the grandkids play with this. It starts up, it fills the water up all the way around it. And then there it comes. There's the little water fountain. Very nice. They're going to have so much fun running through that. So when I have them over and we're doing that, I will film them playing with that. Okay, and these are some solar LED garden lights. I'm not sure what all those colors are at the top because these are all just plain white colors. I'm not sure what that's all about. But here's the way it comes. It comes in a 4-pack, and there is an off and on button to power it on. I'm just leaving mine on. I'm not going to go out there every single day and turn them off. But so I'm assuming I'm supposed to just leave them on. I don't really know. But this is the little stand. This is me trying to figure it out at first. And but it's very easy to put together once I did my first one and figured it out. There we go. And you just put them in those little holes right there. They fit right in there. All 4 of them did very well. And then it comes with this little plastic covering thing. You just take that off. There we go. And then there it is. Like I said, I don't see anything where it gives you options for colors. That's your on and off button. But here they are at the house. Like I said, it came with a pack of 4, and then here they are at night after they charged during the shade because it wasn't very sunny that day. So that's the shade charging part. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.